Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many of us are curious about, detoxing. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to find the right way to cleanse your body naturally. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 5 drinks that can help detox your body fast, naturally, and effectively. Whether you're looking to flush out toxins, boost your metabolism, or simply feel more energized, these drinks will do the trick. So, let's jump right in. First up is the time-tested and effective lemon water detox. All you need for this beverage is water and freshly squeezed lemon juice. But do not be fooled by its simplicity. It has a great deal of impact. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, which helps your liver create more enzymes and is also great for your immune system. This helps your body rid itself of dangerous poisons by accelerating your liver's detoxification process. It is made simply by adding half a lemon to a glass of warm water, which should be consumed first thing in the morning when you are not hungry. This facilitates the removal of toxins from your system and speeds up digestion. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper or a teaspoon of honey for an extra boost. Green tea, a natural detox beverage powerhouse, is the next item on the list. Antioxidants included in green tea, especially catechins, are believed to improve liver function. Green tea not only increases metabolism, aids in weight loss, and enhances brain function, it also detoxifies the body. It functions as both an energy enhancer and a detoxifier. Steep a green tea bag or loose leaves in hot water for around 3 minutes to make the ideal cup of green tea. If you feel like you need a little sweetness, try a slice of lemon or a little honey instead of adding sugar or sweeteners. Drink 2-3 cups a day to maximize its detoxifying benefits. Third, we have cucumber mint detox water, a refreshing and hydrating way to cleanse your body. Cucumbers are packed with water, keeping you hydrated while flushing out toxins. They also contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Mint, on the other hand, aids digestion and gives a refreshing flavor that makes it easier to stay hydrated throughout the day. To make it, slice half a cucumber and add it to a pitcher of water. Throw in a handful of fresh mint leaves and let it sit for a few hours, or overnight, in the fridge. Drink it throughout the day for a continuous detox. Add a few slices of lemon or lime for an extra zesty flavor. A word of caution. Before making significant changes to your diet, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. Beetroot juice, a colorful and powerful cleansing beverage, comes in at number 4 on our list. Superfood beets are full of minerals, including betaine, iron, and folate. These nutrients aid in liver detoxification and promote liver function. Beetroot juice is a terrific addition to your daily routine because it also helps to lower blood pressure and enhance blood flow. A blender or juicer is required to prepare beetroot juice. Juice 1 or 2 beets and add a little apple or carrot for sweetness. To get rid of the pulp, drain the juice if you are using a blender. Drink this juice in the morning for an instant energy boost and detox kickstart. Last but definitely not least, we have ginger turmeric tea, a powerful anti-inflammatory and detoxifying drink. Both ginger and turmeric have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties. Ginger helps to stimulate digestion, reduce bloating, and flush out toxins, while turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. To make this tea, boil a cup of water and add a few slices of fresh ginger and a teaspoon of turmeric powder or fresh turmeric root. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes, then strain. Add a teaspoon of honey or a slice of lemon to taste. Drink this tea in the evening to help relax and detoxify your body overnight. And there you have it. These are my top 5 drinks to detox your body fast, naturally, and effectively. Incorporating these drinks into your daily routine can help you feel more energized, reduce bloating, and give your body the reset it needs. Remember, while these drinks are a great way to support your body's natural detox processes, it's also important to maintain a balanced diet and stay hydrated with plenty of water. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.